trouble, cause we're gonna steal your air. Cause what you got is what we need, and all we do is dirty deeds. Watch out with the space balls, with the master of space. Don't mess around with the space balls. Going cruising in a spaceship, we're so good at being bad. We'll destroy your little planet if you ever get us mad. We're mountains of the galaxy, you better scatter when you see. Watch out with the space balls, with the master of space. Don't mess around with the space balls. Watch out!
Get ready, Rangers. Tonight we're gonna draw Indiana Jones. The Yokai Realm's bravest archaeologist. He's on one mission. To report the findings of the Yokai Realm's past.
Mothers of the galaxy, we're gonna take the iron ring. Space balls. Watch out with the space balls, with the master of space. Don't mess around with the space balls. With the space balls. Watch out with the space balls, with the master of space. Don't mess around with the space balls. My space balls.
Alexa, play Mighty Morphin Power Rangers theme song.
Here's Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, Go Go Power Rangers, main theme by Geek Music
Alexa,
on
stop.
Amazon Music.
Alexa, who is Indiana Jones?
According to fandom, Indiana Jones is the protagonist of the films Raiders of the Lost Ark and its sequels.
You see, this is who Indiana Jones is based on. The mighty Indiana Jones. The last time I saw Indiana Jones was during the movie Temple of the Crystal Skull. That was the only movie I saw him in. I haven't seen anyone else involving the Crystal Skull. Maybe it has aliens or something. Or something involving aliens. Alexa, play Go Go Power Rangers.
Here's Go Go Power Rangers, Redux by Ron Wasserman on Amazon Music.
finished. That's how you draw Indiana Jones from Yokai Watch 3. He looks a lot like Steve Jobs, but let's just leave it at that. Now it's time to raid the Lost Ark once again. Alexa, tell me more about Indiana Jones.
According to fandom, Indiana Jones is the protagonist of the film's
Alexa, stop.
Raiders of the Lost.
That's all for now. Second source, see you later. Good night.